Meaning of embolus.
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 Embolus. An embolus is a foreign object that travels through the bloodstream and obstructs a blood vessel. This can result in a variety of medical complications depending on where the embolus becomes lodged. For example, if it reaches the lungs, it can cause pulmonary embolism, which can be fatal. If it blocks an artery in the brain, it can result in a stroke. The severity of the situation depends on the size and location of the embolus, but in all cases, immediate medical attention is required to minimize damage and prevent further complications.